We are outside. We're out at Amber Gardens for Cook It, Lick It 2.0. My name is Mzkeekie J. Bureau with MX24, and I'm here with a lovely gentleman who's about to tell us all about today's event. His name is Kojo. And hi, how are you doing?
I am fine. How are you too?
I'm doing amazing. It's the attitude for me.
It's the weather condition.
What's all of this about? What's Cook It, Lick It about?
This is Dentsu Ghana, and as part of our 8 ways, we have what we call we choose excitement. And so it is on that pillar that this time around we want to excite ourselves, because I mean, like the old school children thing, you say all work and no play makes Jack a dull ball. So as part of the our mid-year release clause, like I put it, we wanted to do something nice, and Cook It Lick It 1.0 was Guy, so we decided let's do an encore. So that's how come we have Cook It Lick It 2.0.
CEO of Dentsu, his name is Mr Andrew Ackah, and he's the one organizing this amazing event. I see his teammates, his employees, all of them are out here doing great things. So with this, how did you even come up with an idea of, you know, gathering your teammates to have a cooking competition and have fun together? Because not a lot of companies do bonding like this.
Yes, it's part of Dentsu's culture that every quarter we meet as a group to do something. So we've done sports before. We've gone to beaches. We've gone to wildlife. We've done quite a bit before. 2 years ago, there was an idea that why don't we compete and compare our culinary skills? And we thought it was a great idea. And then we formed groups, and I was pleasantly shocked and surprised that people within the business could actually cook. And not cook easy, common food, but quite complex Ghanaian foods.